Hi, I'm Melissa Fekak with South Jersey Divorce Solutions, where we practice family law, mediation, and collaborative divorce. This is the third and final video in a series about the MESP, or Matrimonial Early Settlement Program. In this video, we're going to talk about what happens during and after the MESP. Now, during the MESP, you probably won't have too much of an opportunity to actually directly participate. What often happens is the panelists will meet with the attorneys, and sometimes after they have given their recommendations, they may actually speak to the spouses, but more commonly, they will just speak to the attorneys directly and then have the attorneys speak to the spouses. If you've come to an agreement at your MESP, you'll have the opportunity to notify the judge, and you may even be able to be divorced that day, or the court will set a time for you to be divorced shortly thereafter. But if you're unable to settle, or if you're not really sure, you want to take some time to think about those recommendations, you're going to have that ability to do so. After the MESP and you have those recommendations, it'll be suggested that you and your spouse continue to keep talking with your attorneys, or also through the possibility of going to mediation to see if you can resolve those differences that you just weren't able to fix through the MESP process. The court does have a mandatory economic mediation that is to follow if you are unable to settle. That economic mediation, the first 2 hours are free. 1 hour is for the attorney who's going to be the mediator to review all of your documents. And the other hour is going to be the first opportunity you have to meet with the mediator to see if you can work out those last few things that you haven't been able to do. If you can't work it out there, well, then they're going to start talking about trial. But again, remember, the reality is only 2% of couples actually end with a divorce trial. So the expectation is you are going to be able to settle at that MESP or shortly thereafter. This is, again, your chance or your opportunity to try to work things out, to try to see what you can resolve. And you should take those recommendations of the panelists very seriously, because it may be pretty close to what a judge would order if you were to go to court. So why would you want to take that chance? Why not just settle now and come to a resolution that both you and your spouse can live with and save yourself some time and some money? If you have more questions about the MESP process, you can find that information on our website. The information will follow after this video. Again, my name is Melissa Fekak, and I'm with South Jersey Divorce Solutions.